Most people think investing is complicated, risky, or only for rich people. But investing is actually much simpler than it sounds. In this video, you'll learn how to invest your money step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. No jargon. No hype. Just clear explanations you can understand and actually use. Welcome to Simplified Finance, where money and investing are explained clearly. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified financial professional before making financial decisions. Now let's start with the basics. What is investing? Investing simply means using your money to make more money over time. Think of money like a worker. If your money just sits in a savings account, it's unemployed. Investing puts your money to work so it can earn more money for you. Saving protects your money. Investing grows your money. Both are important, but they serve different purposes. Now, why should you invest? Because inflation slowly reduces the value of money. If your money doesn't grow, it quietly loses buying power over time. Investing helps your money grow faster than inflation. Now let's walk through this step by step. Step 1 is making sure you're ready to invest. Before you invest, you need two things. First, an emergency fund. This is money set aside for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Without this, you might be forced to sell investments at the wrong time. Second, no high-interest debt. If you're paying very high interest on debt, that usually costs more than what investing can earn. Think of it like filling a bucket. Fix the leaks first before trying to pour more water in. Step 2 is understanding risk. All investing involves risk. But risk doesn't mean gambling. Think of risk like driving. You reduce risk by following rules, wearing a seatbelt, and not driving recklessly. In investing, risk is managed by time, diversification, and patience. The longer you invest, the less risky it becomes historically. Step 3 is understanding compound growth. Compound growth is when your money earns money, and then that money earns even more money. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it gets bigger faster. This is why starting early matters more than starting with a lot of money. Time is more powerful than amount. Step 4 is choosing what to invest in. As a beginner, you don't need to pick individual stocks. A simple and effective option is index funds. An index fund is like buying a small piece of many companies at once. Instead of betting on one winner, you own a little of the entire market. This reduces risk and makes investing simpler. Another common option is exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. They work similarly and are easy to buy and sell. For beginners, boring investments are often the best investments. Step 5 is choosing where to invest. You invest through a brokerage account. Think of a brokerage account like a bank account, but instead of holding money, it holds investments. Choose a reputable platform with low fees and easy-to-use tools. Fees matter because they quietly reduce your returns over time. Step 6 is deciding how much to invest. You don't need a lot of money to start. Many people wait because they think they need thousands of dollars. You don't. You can start with small, consistent amounts. Think of investing like planting seeds. You don't plant once and stop. You plant regularly. Consistency matters more than timing the market. Step 7 is investing regularly. This is called dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to guess the perfect time to invest, you invest the same amount regularly. Sometimes prices are high. Sometimes they're low. Over time, this smooths out risk and removes emotion from investing. Emotion is one of the biggest enemies of beginners. Step 8 is staying invested. Markets go up and down. This is normal. Many beginners panic when prices fall and sell at the worst time. Think of investing like riding an elevator, not climbing stairs. There will be ups and downs, but the long-term direction matters most. Successful investing is boring and patient. Step 9 is avoiding common beginner mistakes. Don't chase trends. Don't invest money you need soon. Don't panic during market drops. And don't constantly check your investments. Investing rewards patience, not excitement. Step 10 is thinking long-term. Investing is not a get-rich-quick plan. It's a get-rich-slowly and consistently plan. The goal is steady growth over many years, not quick wins. Now let's put everything together. First, build an emergency fund. Second, understand risk and time. Third, choose simple investments like index funds or ETFs. Fourth, invest consistently. And finally, stay patient. You don't need to be an expert to invest successfully. You just need a clear plan and a discipline to stick to it. If this video helped you, subscribe to our channel for more simple, clear videos on personal finance, saving, and investing. Investing isn't about being smart. It's about being consistent. And now you know how to start. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.